Hi everyone, my name is Vinscard S. Montibon. Today, I would like to introduce you 12 unique hotels. The hotel important to us, especially to us who are HM student, because we have people work with and especially the ones that are far away. A condo hotel or condotel is a priority with individually owned condominium units that are managed and rented out to guests by a hotel operator. A motel or motor hotel is a type of lodging designed for motorists. An inn can refer to a small, historic hotel providing lodging and food and travel, or an international non-property. An apartment is a self-contained residential unit that is part of a large building containing multiple such homes. Private doors and a network of state-owned residential space in Samar, Portugal are located in historic costliest monasteries. A pension house is a type of lodging that is basically the family-run guest house operating affordable accommodation similar to a hotel, often less formal and with more favor amenities. A bed and breakfast (B&B) is a small lodging establishment that provides overnight accommodation and a morning meal. Hotels are budget-friendly accommodation that provide expenses lodging and shared or private rooms, communal areas like kitchen, laundries, and bathrooms. A campground is a designated area where people can stay for recreation, usually pitching a tent, parking a recreational vehicle, RV. A health SPA is a place with facilities from excess of beauty treatment like massage, training, and facial rooms. Private homes are residential properties owned by individuals or families as opposed to institutional or public house.